At simple lang iyo napiling, era C-T-O-L ko yan.
Hi guys, sino nyo ba itong speaker with mic na to? Hindi lang to basta-basta pang entertainment na pang karaoke lang para sa inyo yung magbabarkada o pamilya. Meron ditong magic sound effect. Meron ako ditong line na isasample natin. Tapos itatry natin na baguhin yung boses natin, okay? Hello, welcome to Radio VMI. We're bringing the hottest hits and the latest news. I'm your host again. Bago na, diba? I'm your host, Len. And I've got the great lineup for you today.
Including the brand new single from VMI
and an exclusive interview with guest Bonina! So stay